Okay, so let's be honest. How many times have you told yourself from tomorrow I'm gonna wake up early, hit the gym, meditate, or whatever, and then tomorrow comes and you're doing nothing. You're eating chips at 2 a.m., watching reels about being productive, but actually being unproductive. I have been there. But don't worry, in this video we will actually talk about how to build a habit, why is it so hard to stick with, how to break a bad one, and just some real talk about what works and what's cap. A habit is basically just a thing where your brain goes like, we do this very often. Let me do this automatic so we don't have to think too hard about it. A habit is basically something you do repeatedly. And how to actually build a habit, like brushing your teeth, for some people going to the gym, eating a banana, or basically eating, or drinking water, or even waking up at the right time, or as usual, for someone, for example, every day at 6. Or tapping your phone or checking it like 100 times even though there's nothing new. The brain makes this thing called a habit loop, and it has 3 parts. A cue, something triggers it, like you feel bored. A routine, you do the habit, for example you open Instagram. And reward, your brain feels good, for example dopamine or a dopamine rush. And exactly this gets stronger the more you do it. Let's say you want to build a habit, like working out. Here's something what most people do. They suddenly go gym bro mode, waking up at 6 a.m, cold showers, protein shakes, stretching, and so on. And they crash within 3 days. But now you might ask why. Because it's not sustainable. Habits need to be easy at first. So how do I actually build a good habit? At first, start small. Stupid small. Don't say I will read for 1 hour a day. Just say I will read 1 page a day. Yeah, just 1 page. That's all. That's all you need. 1 page. Even that counts. You want to trick your brain to say, oh yeah, that's easy. I might do it again. Or yeah, that's easy. Let's continue. Start with something easy. Number 2, track it with something you already do. This is something called habit stacking. So for example, you already brush your teeth every day, right? So you can say, after brushing my teeth, because that's easy, you do it every day, I will do 10 push-ups. Boom. Tiny trigger. Actions. You made the push-ups and then you're good. 3, make it obvious and easy. Put the book on your bed before you go to sleep. Put the gym clothes on your bed before you go to the gym or you go out. Hide junk food, or even better, don't buy it at all. Now let's talk about the dark side, breaking bad habits. But first thing to remember, don't just say I will stop things at once. I will stop something out of nowhere. Don't say that. Instead, replace it. Like for example, if you snack when you're bored, just replace it with chewing a gum. Or even walking, literally anything else. Like chewing a gum, probably the best thing you can do instead of snacking. Like, if you always snack when you're bored, just try chewing a gum or go for a walk. Also, make the bad habit invisible or even hard to do. For example, add a screen time lock or delete the app, for example Instagram or TikTok. Give your friend a new Netflix password, even that works for some people. All of these things have some pros and cons. Pros of the good habits. They literally shape your life. Slowly but powerfully. They make you feel more in control, they reduce stress, and they also make you more confident about yourself. They also have some cons. It takes patience at first. You can get bored in the beginning, but after, you can get used to it, and it can actually be a lot of fun. It is also easy to quit if you have no reward, or if it doesn't reward yourself. If it's not rewarding for you. You might become too robotic, but if you want to build good habits, you're gonna feel like that. Okay, to wrap this all up, remember, you don't need motivation, you need a system. Don't wait to feel ready, just start small and keep showing up. That's it. No perfection, no guilt. Even if you miss 1 or 2 days, you didn't fail. You're just human. That's normal. Everybody does it. And if you get any bad habits, don't hate yourself. You're also human. And if you have any bad habits, don't hate yourself. Everybody has them. Just slowly replace, adjust, and build a better system. And yeah, it takes time, but it's worth it. So that's gonna be all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, leave a comment. I will see you guys in the next one. Also, visit my Instagram account where I will put a lot of stuff, a lot of new stuff also. I'm gonna start my second account. But my main account, Mark's VDS. You can call me Mark there. Yeah, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you're wondering why I was holding this microphone up here, I just decided to stand in a video, and I had nowhere to put this mic on. So yeah, leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.